how to create a TikTok account for business. So if you want to create a TikTok account for your business, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. Now, after opening your TikTok, you just need to simply go with login, go with your login section, and then on the bottom you will have sign up. Tap on sign up and enter your phone number that you would like to use to create your TikTok account. Like you can use your business number, or you can also continue with your email, Facebook, or Google. So I'll just simply go with email. And here you need to enter the email address. You can enter your business email address. After that, go with continue. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you to take your email. So you just need to simply enter the code that you've received to your email. After entering that code, you'll be able to create a password. And once you created your password, you can enter your nickname and everything, and your account will be created. And you'll be logged into your account. So just create a normal TikTok account with your business information. Now, once you've created your TikTok account with your business information, you need to log in. Then go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. From your profile, you need to go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. And then you need to go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to tap on account. And from here, you need to go and tap on account information. And you will have an option of switch to a business account. Once you find the option of switch to a business account, you can just simply tap on it and your TikTok account will be switched to a business or a creator account. And once you switch to your business account, you will have all of the options like your business suite or creation and business tools right here. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.